Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to see how to change DNS settings on Windows 11. First thing first, press Windows plus S, type Control Panel and hit Enter, or press Windows plus R, type Control and hit Enter. Click View Network Status and Tasks under Network and Internet. Now, find your active internet connection next to Connections. Click it could be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Now, in the new window, click Properties. In the list, scroll to Internet Protocol version 4 and click it once. Then click on Properties button below. Now select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter your preferred DNS. Some popular DNS servers are 48 and 8844 or Cloudflare DNS, which is 41 and 1001. Just to change the IPv6 settings to repeat the step by from Internet Protocol version 6. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.